Yeah, we're ready.
Okay.
Let's do it.
All right. My name is Sally Elias Keszey. Obviously, you know that because you follow me on Instagram. But I thought I'd tell you a little bit about myself and this guy.
Hi.
So this is my husband, Stephen.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
Who is kind of behind the scenes, but not really. Probably more involved than at times I would like him to be.
Yes.
Okay, he is the famous husband behind the Annoying Husband series on my IGTV.
Because she doesn't have fun when she bakes, so I need to make sure she does.
Right, so let's tell you a little bit about ourselves first before we get into that, right? So I'm a pediatrician. I've been a pediatrician for 16 years now, and I've always loved baking. So I've been baking since I was a child. It was always something I was very passionate about. And funny story, you know this story, right?
I do.
Okay. So my dad, who's a doctor, didn't want me to go to medical school, and he thought life would be too hard. He wanted me to lead an easy life. I don't know who has one of those, but anyway, he offered to help me go to pastry school instead of medical school, and I wanted to be a doctor, so I kept on with medical school and have always done the baking on the side.
May I just interrupt? Can you imagine how hard life would have been making pastries for a living every morning, getting these things ready?
Probably they would get up a lot earlier than a doctor would.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's craziness.
Yes.
Crazy business
It's a
that
crazy
pastry
schedule.
making.
It's a crazy schedule. So, that's not the whole story. Right now I'm training in acupuncture. So I'm training to be an acupuncturist and do that as part of pediatrics. We have...
And you could use that on adults too, right? Maybe. On me.
Yeah.
Because I'm a fan. I'm a fan of
All right.
acupuncture. Right?
Okay.
I've had it done before. I'm a fan.
Okay. So, I think that's it about... Well, I'm Egyptian.
Yeah.
And...
A Copt.
I'm a Copt. And we have 3 kids, a 15-year-old, an 8-year-old, and a 4-year-old. Okay, so tell them about yourself, Stephen.
Okay, about myself. My name is Stephen Keszey. I'm your husband, right? I'm your servant.
No.
Well, not your servant, but I help you out a lot.
You help me out.
I help you out around the house quite a bit.
Right, he does all the shopping for me for all my crazy ingredients.
I do this.
For all the crazy baking ingredients. So he goes searching through the supermarket a lot for things.
No, so I do this baking stuff, which is the cakes and pastries and whatnot. Then I also work with alligators and crocodiles. That's kind of juxtaposed, isn't it? It's kind of a craziness, right? So my brother and I have a reptile farm in Bushnell, Florida, and it's what are we?
Have a show.
Yeah, we had a show on Discovery Channel called Swamp Brothers, and we have a ton of videos on YouTube. Its channel's called Get Swamped, and on Instagram it's Get Swamped as well. And my brother is a maniac. He hand feeds alligators, and I do occasionally, but I kind of throw, like not hand feed, maybe throw and then step back a couple dozen steps.
He also does all of my cake structures, all my things that need screws and bolts and washers and all that stuff.
I'm your servant.
No, you're not my servant.
Oh, okay.
He builds it all, and he's the common sense half of the two of us.
Very
so I'm
true.
smart but ditzy.
Yeah, that's true.
So I can't see things the way he sees them. So that he helps me a lot.
She's very solemn when she's baking, and I try to make her not solemn. I try to.
Well,
that's why I videotape her. What are you doing? I'd like to get some information, and like that show you like to watch, that Bake Off or whatever it is.
You harass me
Fine,
while I'm
harass
baking,
you
and baking.
You're not having fun.
The kitchen is my church. Okay, baking is a reverent, serious, precise, exact activity that you cannot laugh and be comedic about it when
you're have fun. You can have fun.
You can't. It's my church, and
so
you have to be reverent about my church.
Okay, that's enough out of your reverency and whatnot.
Reverence,
whatever.
Yeah.
If you would like to see more sneak attacks,
No more
to
sneak
see if she
attacks.
can handle the pressure.
Write in the
Write
comments.
sneak attack.
Write in the comments. Leave Sally alone.
Sneak attack.
No.
Exclamation point.
No,
Yes.
leave me alone.
No,
Leave me alone while
I
I'm
love
baking.
you. I can't leave
Don't
you alone.
harass me while I'm baking. Okay.
Listen,
That's
you
it.
send me out.
Us.
Listen, I'm learning a lot from her because she sends me out to get cream of tartar, and I'm looking in the tartar sauce section and finally I have to ask somebody. Like, I'm looking for this cream of tartar. Do you have it?
That's
It
not that
has nothing to do
unusual
with
of
tartar
an ingredient.
sauce, but it doesn't have anything to do with tartar sauce.
Is it
Cream of
anything-
tartar.
Okay.
It
Is
doesn't.
there anything else about us?
This is us.
This is us.
Yeah, that's a movie or a
That-
show
okay,
or a movie.
Yes.
Show.
This is us.
Movie.
Bye.
Show.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.